What's the meaning of crabby? Crabby. Crabby.
Crabby. Crabby. The word crabby is an adjective used to describe someone who is irritable, grumpy, or bad-tempered. This is often due to a person's mood or external circumstances that have caused them to feel frustrated or annoyed. Crabby individuals may be easily agitated and prone to outbursts of anger or annoyance. They may have a short fuse and respond negatively to minor inconveniences or setbacks. Overall, the term crabby refers to a negative emotional state that can manifest as irritability or grumpiness.